Hey, it's Lazar with Homemade Art Bulgaria. We're back again with another video, this time making a map of the United States state of Hawaii. Everybody knows it, few people have been, but it's also one of our best-seller SVG files, so I decided to make it, and as well it's my first solo project, meaning that Mitko didn't help me at all with this one. I did make some mistakes and I'll take you through them as we go. First of all, I cut out the actual islands on a separate layer. Here they are. The wood got a bit burnt from the laser, so I had to take care of that with a little bit of sandpaper. Then I had to glue the first two layers, and here's my professional tier tool, an old side of a drawer, but it works wonders. I have to remember to dust the layer, since after I glue it, it's very difficult to clean any residue. I grab a brush and some glue, and we're ready to go. As you can see, I'm covering as much area as possible without it spilling over the edge to get a good initial adhesion. After placing our pieces together, we need a few of these. These are just standard clamps, they're used to pressure the parts together while the glue dries. You end up needing quite a few of these, since using too little might result in places where your wood layers form little pockets. Moving to a more well-lit place, it's time for the third layer, or the base of the islands. These are done by hand, since I no longer have a guiding frame. Clamps coming in hot again, this is really a crucial step. Next I'm getting some bites, which is essentially wood paint. Time to paint my frame and make it look warmer and darker. Now it's time to glue the frame. Putting on the clamps again, and this time I'll leave it to sit for around 30-35 minutes with all of them in place. Time for the most precise part, the islands. I only have my SVG file to guide me here, and the placement has to be exact. This part by far took me the longest, as I had to be really careful. Here I'm using a little brush dipped in some water in order to clean some of the glue that spilled out during the process. And now onto the most annoying part of the process. I had to polish the sides of the map with this electric tool that we got, which took almost an hour of grueling work. When we glue layers together, there is often a mismatch of some degree, so I have to do this in order to get a cleaner, neater edge. Then it's time to spray it with a matte coating to make the colors pop a little bit more and seal the map. Unfortunately, during the sanding, I grazed the edge of the frame a little bit and I had to reapply some wood paint. Since the paint stacks though, you can see how it's a tad uneven. And even with all my effort, it did spill over the side and quickly absorbed into the freshly sanded sides. One more thing that I encountered was this moving bit here. It was caused by not having applied enough glue to the surface, and the result is this little inconvenient raise in the layer. I'm really happy with the sides though. They came out very smooth and I feel like it really improves the piece. In the end, I gave it a final coating of matte, and here's the final product. Join us next week for more maps and more fun content from the workshop.